So we actually have several questions about the GST and VAT. Since there's no actual Incoterm that specifies that, how do you suggest we go about maybe excluding VAT on an Incoterm? For example, I have a question here that says, can you have DDP excluding VAT?
Most definitely. And that's just something you want to specify in your contract and your PO, put in there, DDP Incoterms 2020, and I'd write down the delivery address or the city name it's going to, excluding any duty or any GST or VAT. Make that specific.
So you want to be as specific as possible and not just assume that VAT or GST is incorporated with those DDP terms.
Most definitely, and a lot of companies over there that are familiar with the GST and VAT have an account on file with the local government. They claim back that VAT and GST once they sell the product on. They set it up in a couple of different ways. It's quarterly, it's yearly. It's up to their discretion on how many times they want to claim it back.